I can't wait to try these out. I am so excited. Well, I don't want to hype it up too much, but I'm kind of excited. I'm kind of excited to try these out. Welcome back. What's going on, subbies? And how y'all doing, newbies? And just in case you don't know what a newbie is, I'm about to tell you. A newbie be anybody checking me out, maybe for the first time, maybe even for the second. Check this out. It may even be for the third. But we don't count those numbers around here. We really don't. I just want all of my subs and I want all of my noobs to gather around and come on in. Okay, so for today we got a quickie. For all of those who have been tuned in, as far as my last video or the one before that, where I was giving all the updates and a couple of product updates, I sort of intimated about a new hair product that I got. Now, even before then, I had a hair product wish list. And this particular product was on that very same wish list. So you guys know that I just can't hold my mule when it comes to some things. So I had to come on in here and let you guys know what that blind item that I hinted at. I gotta let you guys know what it is. So just a little backstory. Picture this. I was minding my own business and I was on the internet. And I said, let me see what I can see on Ulta's website, because they were having a sale at that time. So anyway, I was scrolling. And I looked at a couple of things over here, and I looked at a couple of things over there. Honey, I saw something that was on the hair list, and it was for a couple dollars off. So y'all know me. I let my fingers do the tapping. I put it in my cart, and here we are. I got it. And I haven't used it yet, but I wanted to show it to you guys first. This is what I have gotten. And this is none other than the bendable or the flexible rollers. And these are by Scrunchy or Scunchy. I know we always say Scrunchy, but I believe it's Scunchy. And it's by Conair. I guess they bought them. Okay. But anyway, I digress. So I bought these bendable rollers. If you guys remember and have been down the hair block with me a time or two, when I did my hair wish list, I talked about a couple of things, including these bendable rollers. I have these. I bought these a long time ago, and I love the thickness or the thinness, if you will, of these particular rollers. And I have been looking or been in search of rollers of this particular size for a very long time. I checked at Sally's, which is where I originally got these, and it just seemed like these were just very hard to find, these particular rollers. I know a lot has been going on the past couple of years as far as, outbreaks, and I believe that affected the whole supply chain thing. So these were MIA for a long time, and the only ones that I did see were the big thick ones, and I didn't want the big thick ones because I want to do a roller set and have these small curls like I used to do. So fast forward to a couple of weeks ago, and I did see these and I just grabbed them. Even though these are not the same diameter, and I'm going to show you in a second. These are pretty close, or at least closer than the other ones that I had been looking at, because the other ones were jumbo, like I said. But I don't want jumbo. I want these, which is kind of like spaghetti. So I would liken this to like the thin spaghetti, and this would be like regular spaghetti if we were to use food as a reference. But yeah, I just grabbed these. These come 18 rollers in a pack. So I figure this combined with these, I should be able to cover my whole head. Now these probably would have been adequate, but my hair is longer now. So I just wanted to be sure. I didn't want to be in the middle of doing my little wet set and then run out of rollers. So I just figured I'd get another set just to cover all the bases. And like I said, back in the day, as a protective style, I used to do little roller sets. And my hair was way shorter at that particular time. And that's when my hair broke off on this side and it was just very uneven, honey. I had some hair issues. I really did. And like I said, instead of me being in my head all the time or in my hair all the time, what I would do is I would do wet sets. And I would, at that particular time, I would use the little rollers. If any of you guys are familiar, these are the hard plastic rollers. And so you would roll your hair up on these and then you would secure it by bringing this elastic cap. Okay, well, it's a cap that's attached to the roller by an elastic band, and you would bring this on top to secure it. So that's what you would do. And then you would sit under the dryer or dry your hair and wait until, of course, everything sets. You would take these out, and then I would have, like little curls, And it was like a little curly afro at that particular time because, like I said, my hair was shorter. I think it was about to my shoulders. Now, it's just too bad that I just don't have any pictures of that particular hair era. Yes, I'm just so sad about that. But anyway, it was good for the time. And like I said, that was my protective style so that I was not combing it and manipulating it every day. Once I took those curlers out, I would put a little bit of serum on my curls and then I would separate them. And I had my little Orphan Annie popping off. And I was good for about a week or two, something like that. But again, it helped my hair to grow because I didn't put any heat in it and I didn't manipulate it as far as having to comb it. So I would have these hard rollers and then I would put these jumbo end wraps on them. And I know a lot of hairdressers still use them, but it's just little protective. They're like little sheets that you would put on these rollers, to keep your hair smooth. You can either put it on the ends of your hair and then wrap it around the roller. But what I would do is I would just wrap it around the roller itself. And then I would wrap my hair around the wrapped roller and then set my hair that way. Now that my hair has a little bit of hang time to it, I need something a little bit more. So that's why I graduated to these. And now I have added this to the whole roller set community. And I'm just going to open this. I think I need the scissors to this because it is, now why won't this, oh, it's a plastic tie. This darn thing has a plastic tie on it. A little technical difficulties. But through the magic of movies, we have gotten it open. Okay, so what I like about this is that it came in a case. From what I remember, the green ones did not. They just came in a bag, I believe. But this comes in its own plastic case. You open it up and yeah. And so they came in two different colors. So I don't know if you can see that on camera, but it's a lavender and a mauve or pale peachy pink type of situation. Okay. So the green one is way longer. And again, this was my initial, because I wanted like a straw set, but you know what? I'm going to make this work. And what I'll do is I'll put the smaller thin spaghetti in the front. And then as I work towards the middle, I'll get to the regular spaghetti. And actually these are two different sizes as well. This is skinny, this is thin, and this is a little thicker. It's like Goldilocks and the three rollers. So we got three different sizes right here. And like I said, as I think towards the front, I'm gonna wear the green. And then the middle, I'm gonna go with the lavender. And then the back, if I still need the rollers, if I run out of rollers, I'll use the mauve. So that is that. I haven't used these yet, but thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. I am going to use them soon. Okay, that's all I'm trying to say. I told y'all that we're going to be rocking a couple of different hairstyles, you know, because it's going to get warm. And I just want to, you know, I'm a little reminiscent of of some of the hairstyles I used to rock back in the day. And this was one of them. And speaking of hair lists, this was on the hair list, as well as I have one other thing, well, two other things. I'm gonna see how good your memory is. I have two other things on the list. One of them I said that you would kind of be surprised about, and the other one was, it was a crimper. And that's another thing that I can't really find. I see the crimpers with the two barrels. I don't want that one. I want the one where the plates look like one solid wave. Sort of like this. Not sort of, but like this. Where it's one plate and it's just a wave. And then you press your hair in between. That's the one that I want. I don't want the one that looks like two curlers. Now, it probably has the same effect, and maybe I'm being a little stubborn. I can admit that. I can. But that's not the one that I want. Now, sometimes you just want what you want. Well, this is one of those times. I just want what I want. Now, you may be wondering, well, you got one in your hand, honey. This is nothing. This don't get hot. We're not even going to talk about this crimper. It's no bueno. So ever since, I've been looking for a replacement for that one. But yeah, back to the rollers. And so you would wrap your hair, how you use these, okay, the foam rollers, you would wrap your hair around this, and then you would secure it at the end by bending it or making a hook at the top. And that's what would keep your hair from unrolling. And some people, I've seen them bend both sides, okay? So you're either making a candy cane or a paper clip, if you will, and bend both sides like that, and your hair would be in between here, and then you would, you know, sit under a dryer or dry your hair. Take these out, and then you're all set. Okay, so that's what we got. And like I said, I got these on sale. They were normally, I guess they're about $20 or something like that. But Scunchie is not the only company that makes these, obviously. You can find these at your local beauty supply store. Again, they're good for roller sets, but you can also use them on dry hair. So if you curl your hair, you just wanted some rollers that you can actually sleep on, you know, because of those hard plastic rollers, it's kind of uncomfortable to sleep on or sleep in, then these would be right up your alley. I wanted to get these to do a roller set or a wet set on my hair. So we're going to see how that turns out. Now, I'm not making any promises as far as when, but just know that it's coming down the pipe. Yes, we're thinking of some things. Yes, we're just cooking up some things over here. But yeah, I really like this. 18 rollers to a pack. This was on sale, 20 some odd dollars. It was marked down to about 15. But yeah, you can even find these at little discount stores as well. So that's all I came here to do. I could not hold my mule, honey. I had to show y'all because I did sort of hint at it at the last video. So I thought it only fair to come in here and tell you what I got for my hair as of recent, and that was the foam rollers. So we're going to be doing a little switcheroo pretty soon, okay? So we're going to have fun with that. And yeah, so I'm not going to belabor the point. I am not going to drag this out, honey. I am done bumping my gums. So I think it's time for us to get up out of here. What do you think? I think we should, honey. So that's what we're about to do. So with that being said, that wasn't too bad, right? We were in and out, okay? I want to thank you so much for dialing in and showing up. I really do appreciate it. I really do. I really do. And yeah, we'll be back talking about some more stuff. Honey, I need y'all to come on back in here because we got some more stuff to talk about. So you got to come back for that. So you already know. It's going to be the same Dolce dial. It's going to be the same Dolce channel. So you come on back.